guys! Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to try a very special biryani because it is cooked in a bamboo. We've seen a lot of good reviews about this place and the picture looks really delicious. I am excited to try it now. This Bamboo Biryani restaurant started as a weekend roadside stall run by a husband and wife team, William and Stella. This concept of Bamboo Biryani went viral on the internet and it became so popular and successful that they now have expanded to 3 restaurants.
So right now we've just met Mr. William, he's the owner of this shop. So what would be the best selling bamboo biryani you have?
Well, our hot selling biryani is mutton biryani, followed by chicken, and we have fish biryani, prawn biryani, crab biryani, veggie, and also egg biryani.
Wow.
If you want plain biryani, we serve a plain biryani also.
There's like 8 different types of biryani here.
We start cooking about 6 o'clock in the morning. So we start cooking our curries and also our biryani early morning.
The biryani rice is semi-cooked before being stuffed with meat and spices into the bamboo tubes and steamed over this huge pot.
We have another branch in Jalan. Cooking is centralized cooking here. We pack everything nicely, we send it to the other branch. So the taste will be same in Klang branch and also the Jalan branch. And we have another branch in KB, as I told you, cooked by our trained cook. So the taste, the 3 branches will be same, and we are the founder of the Bamboo Biryani.
Wow.
It smells so good. Piping hot when the food came. It looks so delicious. When they poured out from the bamboo, you can smell the aroma of the rice. I have ordered the chicken biryani. It looks amazing. You can see it still smoking hot. I got some chicken there. They put some of that salad and the okra. Chicken's really tender. The rice is so flavorful. You eat together with the okra and the salad. It's just refreshing, it's delicious, it's aromatic, it's everything in a bite. It's not too spicy, but the rice is so fragrant. It's really delicious. It's fluffy, it's well seasoned, it's so delicious. Even the drinks is served in a bamboo. How cute it is. We've ordered the iced lemon tea. Puri has ordered the asam boy.
So I've ordered the mutton biryani. It's my turn to try this. So you can see like chunks of mutton over here. They're like all over the rice. It looks so good. They also drench like the curry sauce all over the rice. And I asked them to like pour more sauce. I just love sauce. There's this big chunky egg over here. Looks so cute. Comes together with this raita, which is chopped onions and homemade yogurt, and also the lady's finger. I'm gonna try the rice right now together with that lamb curry. Oh, it's really flavorful. And it's actually a little bit spicy. It's still warm and fuzzy. It's really rich with spices. Very nicely cooked. The consistency of the rice and all, it's not soggy or dry. It's like perfect. Straight away I can taste that turmeric. That's what makes the whole rice very yellow. And I found out one thing. Every different biryani that's served over here has a different curry or spice paste that they use. It's quite an experience. You can try different versions of it. I'm going to try with the meat right now. I mean, it's just staring at me. Oh, that's a huge spoonful. Oh wow. Seriously, that meat is so tender. I just love the mutton flavor. It's so rich with the spices and all. The rice goes along together with that raita. That raita has a little bit of sweet sour flavor to it. And the lady's finger. The lady's finger gives a little bit of that gooey texture, but it goes really well with the rice. I have to recommend. You can see why the mutton is the top selling one. It's really good. It's really good. Just ordered 2 additional add-ons, which is the chicken prata and the prawn sambal. Let's go try the chicken prata first. Yeah. Okay, so gonna try this. The chicken is very tender. Gravy is really, really special. I just love that gravy. I mean, if you can add it on to your rice, it's really good. Now for the prawn sambal. Oh, look at that. Sambal oozing out from the head. Okay, I finally get to peel it off. The prawn is really fresh and springy. It's really good. It's not really spicy, but the spice in the sambal is very rich with flavor. It's very flavorful. It was a very hearty meal and I'm so full right now.
I can't believe I finished the entire
Portion.
dish. It's really, really delicious. We do recommend you to come and try. What's the tagline again?
Okay, so
taste and see.
The name of the shop is called Bamboo Biryani, Taste and See. I have tasted, I have seen it, so you guys have to come taste and see for yourself. So if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see more of our travel and food videos. And as always, thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Bye guys! You know, the portion is huge.